Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, simply press Windows key plus R key together to open Run. On this window, simply type in temp and click on OK. Then select all these files, right click on them and select Delete. Once done, simply right click here, select Run. Now type %temp% and hit enter. Now on this window, select all these files, right click on it and select delete and delete all these files. Once done, close this window. Again right click here and select run. This time type in prefetch and hit enter. Once again, just select the files and delete them. Now close this window. We need to go to control panel now, then select view by as category and now select system and security, then click on power options, and from here we need to select create a power plan, select high performance and name it as whatever you want, for example FPS. Click on next and select your neighbor and create it. Once done, close this window. Now simply right click here and select task manager, then go to run new task, select browse button and go to this PC, open C drive, then we need to open Windows folder, then find out system32 folder. So here it is, double click on it to open it, then find out cmd.exe file. So here it is and select it and click on open. Now check this box and remember this path: C drive, Windows folder, system32 and cmd.exe. After that, click on OK, and once we are here we need to execute some commands. Type these all commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. So we need to type in sfc space / scan file equal to c : /windows /system32 /ie frame.dll and hit enter. Once done, type in sfc space / verify file equal to c : /windows /system32 /ie frame.dll and hit enter. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window and simply restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe.